What's up, YouTube? It's your girl kerrakay. Your girl is back with Vlogmas Day 7. So today, y'all, we are baking cookies. We're baking chocolate chip cookies to be exact. But y'all, I never made, well, I don't think I have chocolate chip cookies from scratch. I always buy the bag or the box or whatnot. But today we're making it from scratch, okay? So we got this little cute Christmas apron. We're gonna put this on and we're gonna get to work, okay? Alright, y'all, so now we're gonna go through the ingredients to see what we need to make these cookies from scratch. I need 2 sticks of butter softened. I got 2 sticks of butter, just not softened. Dang it, I meant to do this last night. Well, we're just gonna have to melt it. Oh well. White sugar, brown sugar, 2 eggs. Let me get the eggs. Extract, flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and chocolate chips. Y'all know I got salt. I ain't gotta show y'all that. But okay, so this is for our soft and chewy chocolate chip cookies. Alright, so let's do this, boo. y'all, so that was the last cookie, that big cookie. That's for my husband. Gotta, you know, give him a special treat and whatnot. But y'all, if y'all really enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe to your girl channel. And I will be leaving the recipe in the description box. So these cookies are homemade and they are delicious. So if you want this recipe, please, 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 please go tag me on my social medias. You making this recipe, you making these cookies, and let me know how they turn out. But yeah, y'all, so love y'all. Bye.